Hey everyone, you're home for simple DIY fixes that save time and money. Today, we're replacing an M2, M3 cartridge in a kitchen faucet, and trust me, it's easier than you think. Let's get started. Tools and materials needed: crescent wrench, Allen wrench 3/32 or 1/8, flathead screwdriver, towel or rag, bucket for drips, Kohler M2 or M3 cartridge, silicone or plumber's grease. Step 1. Turn off water. First things first, turn off your service stops. You don't want a mini flood under your sink. Step 2. Relieve pressure. Now turn your faucet to the on position. This relieves any leftover pressure, and it lines up the set screw so we can actually get to it. Step 3. Remove handle. Next, push that little rubber plug into the handle that's hiding your set screw. Grab your Allen wrench, rotate it for full turns counterclockwise, and the handle should slip right off. Make sure to keep that plug somewhere safe. You'll need it later. Step 4. Remove deco ring and retaining nut. Slide off the deco ring. Easy. Then, with a large crescent wrench, loosen the cartridge retaining nut. Once that's off, your old cartridge should slide right out. Step 5. Swap the cartridge. Don't freak out if your new cartridge looks smaller. That's normal. Just make sure the blue gasket and the locating tabs come out with the old one. Then line up your new cartridge with the holes inside the faucet and slide it in. Step 6. Reassemble. Snug the retaining nut. Don't over-tighten. Pop the deco ring back on. Reinstall the handle. About 4 turns should do it. Then put that rubber plug back in. Step 7. Test IT. Now turn your service stops back on. Test for leaks, and boom. You're done. Faucet fixed. No plumber required. If this video helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more quick DIY fixes from me. Drop a comment if you've got a faucet giving you trouble. I might feature it in the next video.